Hi, boys and girls. We're back with another lesson on informative writing. Remember, informative means you're going to teach someone something. So if the topic is plants, that's what your writing's going to be about. So today, our topic for informative writing is plants and what you've learned about the plant life cycle. That means, how does a plant grow? What are the steps in growing a plant? So you could go ahead and divide up your paper to show each step when you grow a plant. You don't have to do this. This is just one idea. And I might put dirt across all of it, just so that I have a good understanding of what happens. And if you remember correctly, the first thing that happens is there's a seed, right? And it's up to you if you want to add more details. Maybe you would add that there is sun for light, maybe some rain. And after we take care of our seed, it starts to sprout. It breaks open and we get a little sprout on our seed. So we'll make that go like that. Now, do you remember what it's called when it goes up through the grass? Right, it's called a shoot. It's called a shoot. So we start with the seed, and then we get the shoot, and then we get the plant. And the plant often has a stem and leaves. Now, boys and girls, I know that you've learned so much from our informative writing that you could probably even add more details than this. You could add arrows with labels and diagrams. So if you are ready to write and you want to do more, please do more. I cannot wait to see what you bring to share with me at our Google Meet sessions. Now, as you're writing your sentences, you could even put some bold words in if you use some of our vocabulary words. Words like seed, words like sprout, shoot, or stem, or leaves, or, oh no, I forgot something. Wait a minute. Good writers go back and they check. And now that I look, I forgot something very important. What is this called? Right, the roots. I'm so glad I went back to check my writing and see if I could add even more details. Now, in your sentences, if you decide to use some of our new vocabulary words, you could make them bold by tracing over them again with darker pencil, or even using a black marker to trace over the vocabulary words that you used. If you need to go back to one of the videos and check the glossary for some of the plant words we learned, you can. Or you could even go into the EPIC collection on plants and look for some glossaries in the back of those books to use those for more vocabulary words. Remember, some friends might just be labeling with the beginning sound, other friends might be tracing words that their learning coach writes, and some friends might even be writing a few sentences. The most important thing is that you give your very best effort and that you help your brain grow by doing hard things and learning a little bit more each time. Keep up the great writing!